Welcome Phi Hoang channel. GMC introduced the next generation of its flagship SUVs, the 2021 GMC Yukon and Yukon XL, enhanced by offering class-leading technology and elevated by precisely engineered capability. The Quintessential Denali. The 2021 GMC Yukon Denali debuts a more confident stance and improved proportions enabled by its longer wheelbase and new chassis. As bold as the new exterior design is, the biggest stories are found inside the new Yukon. Denali, GMC's premium luxury sub-brand, has driven much of the brand's consistent growth in recent years by adding an elevated level of design and premium craftsmanship. Introduced on the 1999 Yukon, Denali has since grown to include all GMC product lines but has always been synonymous with Yukon. About 60% of Yukon buyers select Denali, making it a focal point for the next generation design. Yukon was the model in which Denali originated in 1999, and now more than 20 years later, we're introducing the quintessential Denali, says Helen Emsley, Executive Director of Global Buick and GMC Design. It delivers a first-class experience with an all-new, exclusive interior and a bolder, more distinctive exterior design. For the first time, Denali models now have an exclusive interior, a completely new instrument panel, unique seats and a choice among 4 unique color themes, each with its own personality, outfitted with premium and authentic materials. Each of the 4 color themes include authentic wood trim, with a fully natural look and texture. Leather surfaces are cut and stitched by hand in a unique Denali pattern. Denali's trademark Galvano chrome grille is larger and more detailed, with a precise dimensional pattern featuring over 10,000 individual reflective surfaces. Advanced lighting technology distinguishes the GMC Yukon Denali from other SUVs. GMC's C-shaped front lighting signature is conveyed through a prominent light blade that delivers uniform LED illumination for the daytime running lamps. LEDs are also used for the headlamps, tail lamps, fog lamps and other illuminative elements, with lenses constructed from durable material with an almost crystalline quality. As always, Denali offers the highest level of premium features and content in the new Yukon and Yukon XL. Highlights include, high-definition surround vision camera, 15-inch diagonal multicolor head-up display, rear pedestrian alert, 4th-generation magnetic ride control, premium available options, including 22-inch wheels, panoramic sunroof, air ride adaptive, suspension and active response 4W DTM system. Class-leading power and interior space. GMC Yukon and Yukon XL drivers will have their choice among 3 engine options, highlighted by an all-new version of the lauded 6.2L V8 engine, delivering 420 horsepower and 460 pound-feet of torque, more than any competitor. The standard engine is an all-new 5.3L V8. The 5.3L and 6.2L engines feature stop-start technology and new dynamic fuel management that enables the engine to operate on 2 to 8 cylinders, depending on demand, to optimize power and efficiency. Yukon's propulsion lineup expands for 2021, as drivers can also select an available all-new 3.0L inline-6 turbo diesel engine. The new diesel builds on GMC's expertise with Duramax turbo diesels offered in Sierra, Sierra HD and Canyon models. All 3 engines are paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission and GMC's electronic precision shift push-button gear selector. Yukon and Yukon XL are expected to be the most fuel-efficient full-size SUVs with the Duramax 3.0L turbo diesel engine. Gains in interior space. Long renowned for its substantial interior capacity, the 2021 GMC Yukon grows even more in terms of usable space for customers. With a nearly 5-inch longer 127mm wheelbase and 6.1-inch 155mm increase in overall length compared to the current model, it offers 41% more third-row legroom and 66% greater cargo volume behind the third row. On the GMC Yukon, space gain is achieved efficiently, the increase in overall length is less than 3%, while maximum cargo room increases by 30%. Yukon XL retains its crown as GMC's roomiest SUV for both passengers and cargo, benefiting from a 4.1-inch (104mm) increase in wheelbase. The result is an increase in both passenger and cargo space, with only a fractional change, less than 1%, to Yukon XL's overall length. Both vehicles now have a lower, flatter cargo loading floor allowing easier access to cargo space. On both vehicles, access to the third row is easier than ever, thanks to new sliding second row seats that improve ingress and egress. The second row seat can slide 5.5 inches (140mm), a first for Yukon passengers.